Do you know how to check if your Google My Business account has been verified or not? If you don't, not to worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to check the verification status of your GMB account using a free verification status checker. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Vanessa here with Team ztallion. If this is your first time in my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified when I post a new video. Before you get started checking the status of your account, you must have first applied to have your GMB account verified. I've created a whole tutorial around this and included the links to the video in the description below. So I kind of like a more practical approach to learning. So I would recommend that you bring out your laptop or mobile phone and do this along with me. If you have any question, put them in the comment section and I'll get to them. Okay, so if you're ready, let's dive right in. So the first thing you want to do is to open up a new browser and go to the link on your screen. Not to worry, I've included a link to this in the description below for you. Now, this is the verification status checker, which is a tool by Google to help you check the status of your Google My Business account. What you need to do first is to sign into your account. Now, before that, I've had a couple of people reach out to say that, they wanted me to record these tutorials in French. Si vous êtes française, il n'y a pas de problème, je veux refaire ça en français. But in the meantime, you could just click on the language option here. There's a button here and select your language of preference. If you are French, scroll down and select French. And then, you'd have this in French language. But for this tutorial, I'm going to stick to English. Awesome. So the next thing we're going to do is to sign in, and I need you to sign in using the email address that is associated with your Google My Business account. So basically what I mean is use that email address that you used while setting up that GMB account. So I'm going to log into my account right here. Once you've logged in, click on continue. So the first step is confirming your email address to be sure that you are using the right email that is associated with your GMB account. Now, there are instances where some people create multiple GMB accounts using different email addresses. So be sure to check that you are using the right email that is associated with the Gmail account that you're trying to check the status of. If this is that email, then click on yes and click continue to move on. Now, if you have just one GMB account associated to that email, you'll only see that account. But if you have multiple GMB accounts, just like I have here, it will all be listed on your screen. So simply just select the account that you're, checking the status of and click continue. Voila. So the verification status of your account will be displayed on your screen. If it is verified, just like this is verified, it will be labeled as verified in green. Now, you also have another option to begin editing your listing, just like I have here. Clicking on this takes you right into your GMB dashboard where you can begin to optimize and populate your account for use. Okay, so now you have checked and you found out that your account has been verified. But what if your account is yet to be verified? There are two scenarios that we can look at and also what to do in those scenarios. So the first scenario is that, your account verification status shows pending. Basically, what this means is that you have already applied to have your account verified. So you're just waiting for feedback. Now, the second scenario is that your status shows not requested. Basically, what this means is that you are yet to request to have your GMB account verified. Now, if you are a business owner in Africa, I know how challenging it can be waiting to receive that postcard to have your account verified. So what I've done is I've created a tutorial that takes you step by step and shows you how to go about verifying your GMB accounts without a postcard. Now, the verification process takes about 1 to 2 days. I've included a link in the description below. So go watch that video and start the verification process of your account. If you applied to have your account verified through us, until date, it's not been verified, please send us an email to hi@ztallion.com and we'll take a look and help you resolve that. So there you have it. And that is how to confirm the status of your account. If you are yet to do this with me, what are you waiting for? Start that and let me know. Okay? If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I will get to them. If this is your first time here or you're returning and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified when I put out a new video. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.